Welcome to the ICS Network, the place to learn advanced techniques for developing with Qt. The ICS Network is brought to you by Integrated Computer Solutions, the experts in Qt. If your project needs engineers with Qt expertise, be sure to contact us. Today's topic is What's New in Qt 4.6? This webcast presents an overview of the new features in the Qt 4.6.0 release, including the new versions of Qt Creator and the Qt SDK. It also gives a brief overview of the new Qt Declarative UI released for Qt 4.6.0. Our speaker today is Jeff Tranter, the manager of the ICS Qt Consulting staff. Jeff has over 25 years of experience developing software on platforms from small embedded systems to servers. He was part of the team that developed Corel Linux and was one of the founding members of Xandros, where he led the team that developed the KDE-based Xandros desktop and more recently, the desktop for the popular Asus EPC. He's been using Linux since 1992 and Qt since 1999 and has contributed to a number of open source projects, including KDE. Welcome, Jeff. Let's begin.
Welcome to the ICS Network. I'm Jeff Tranter, and this is What's New in Qt 4.6. Today we're going to talk about the new features in the recently released Qt version 4.6. Qt 4.6.0 was released on December 1st, 2009 for all platforms, both desktop and the embedded versions on Windows CE and embedded Linux. A new 1.3.0 version of Qt Creator was also released at the same time. Both Qt and Qt Creator are available bundled together in a single download as the Qt SDK. Qt 4.6 is binary compatible with other Qt 4.x releases, so programs linked with older releases will continue to run under 4.6.0. If you aren't up to speed on recent features of Qt, you may want to check out our webcast on What's New in Qt 4.5, available online from the ICS Network. The goal of this webcast is to give you an overview of the new features of this release. We'll cover the following topics: the new platform supported, the new animation framework, the state machine framework, support for multi-touch and gestures, the DOM Access API, performance optimizations, graphics effects, and the new XML schema validation support. We'll also look at Qt's new 3D enablers, multimedia services, some miscellaneous new features, the new Qt Creator release, and the updated Qt SDK, some other related product releases, and a preview of the new declarative UI released for Qt 4.6.0, and finally some references to resources. This release adds support for the Symbian platform on S60. Symbian OS is an operating system for mobile devices. S60 is a software platform for mobile phones that run on Symbian OS. Nokia and other manufacturers make cell phones for this platform. Development on Symbian uses a specialized compiler and other tools specific to that platform. See the documentation on Developing for Qt on Symbian for details. Maemo is another popular platform for mobile devices, primarily smartphones and mobile internet devices. It's Linux-based and uses an X server. In the past, Maemo used GTK+, but is moving to Qt as the default GUI and application framework. It's used by the recently released Nokia N900 smartphone. Maemo support for Qt is coming later this year and is currently available in a tech preview release. Qt 4.6 has finally dropped support for Windows 95, Windows 98, and Windows ME. This decision meant that a lot of code in Qt that worked around the lack of Unicode support on these platforms could now be removed. There are also now community-supported ports of Qt to the QNX and VxWorks real-time embedded operating systems. The animation framework is a new facility in Qt for enabling animation of GUIs. It was previously available as a separate Qt solution. The framework is based on changing object properties such as size, position, and color. It uses mathematical functions called easing curves to define how property changes are interpolated over time. You can group animations, and there's support for items in a graphics view. The animation framework can work in conjunction with the new state machine framework in Qt. Here's a small but complete code example. We create a QProperty animation object for a push button, specifying that we want to animate its geometry property. We set the duration of the animation to 2 seconds, and set the start and end geometry for the animation, in this case changing the position of the button. We set an easing curve, otherwise the default is linear, and arbitrarily set the animation to loop 3 times. After calling animation start, Qt takes care of the necessary work to perform the animation. These are the relevant classes making up the animation framework. The framework will likely be a topic of a future ICS Network webcast. The new state machine framework provides a structure for writing code based on state machines. Certain problems fit well into this paradigm. The implementation is based on Harel state charts, which are part of UML, and the semantics of the SCXML, XML-based markup language. Essentially, you define the state machine and Qt executes it. You define the states and the transitions between states. It is integrated with signals, slots, and properties, and states can be nested in a hierarchy. The state machine framework can be used with the animation framework. The current implementation is C++ based and doesn't have any direct support for the SCXML markup language. There is an SCXML compiler tool in development that can generate C++ code from SCXML files. It's available from Qt Labs in the Qt Git repository. Here's an incomplete example of creating a state machine with several states and transitions. It doesn't do anything on its own, but gives you a flavor for some of the available classes and methods. There are a number of state machine examples included with Qt, such as the states example shown here. It uses the state machine and animation frameworks to smoothly animate widgets in a dialog. Unfortunately, I can't show the animation in a static screenshot. Here are the
To view the full-length webcast, you can visit the ICS Network at www.ics.com/ICS-network. The ICS Network is the place to learn advanced techniques for developing with Qt. There are currently free training webcasts available for download, including an Introduction to Qt, Qt WebKit, Best Practices for Qt Programming, the Model View Framework, Design Patterns in Qt4, What's New in Qt 4.4, the Graphics View Framework, an Introduction to Qthreads, and Best Practices for Qt Localization. Again, thank you for watching, and please visit the ICS Network to learn more about developing with Qt.